The reverse function in Python generates a new container that can be looped through. This new container contains the elements from the original container in reversed order. One of the uses of the reversed function is looping through a reversed container. This code ends up printing 3, 2, 1. You can also convert this reverse container back to the same type as the original container. Like in this code, it can be as simple as wrapping the reverse container in the list constructor. Converting a reverse string back into a string is a bit more complicated though. Given the string in this code, to get the string reversed, you use the reversed function. But to obtain the actual reverse string, we need to combine the individual characters in reversed order. To do this, you need to use the join function. To use join, you pass a reverse string container into it and specify the empty string as the joining element. This empty string joins the characters in the container in reversed order without any separator between them. To sum all of that up, to convert the reverse string back into a regular string, you use the reverse function followed by the join function with the empty string as the joining element. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in Python's built-in methods, check out the playlist on screen now or on the link in the description. Ciao.